Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have some free Pepsi, we have cheap gain at multiple stores, and a whole bunch of magic and cotton candy that couponers love, just meat and potato items. So the Pepsi is at a couple of stores, so we will address that in a quick second. But yeah, it's a really great midweek basket that we have this week. If you guys could do me a huge favor and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, if you can press that as well. Sometimes these midweek videos do get lost, so I would be so grateful if you could do that. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Frozen food, along with a lot of ice cream, frozen treats, and just regular schmegular food, up to 75% off in store and both curbside. So if you want to see if your store is participating, check curbside. And if you are in store doing some deals, definitely walk by that freezer aisle. At these prices, I don't think it's going to go to 90. 75% off is the price point. Also, this morning, I got an avalanche of various boosters. We're going to have to check these out next week. They don't begin till the 1st, which is Sunday, but load them. Only my husband's card got a 7 back on a $35 basket for general merchandise. But some of these are interesting. And then I actually looked in the ad for next week. There's also going to be a spend 45 earn back, I think 15 or 10 on P&G merchandise, like general merchandise as well. So that's really interesting. So go and load all of these boosters right now and then come back to the video. Okay, so I did in fact stack my two boosters. I had a 7 back when you spend 25 and an additional 7 back when you spend 25. So the top one is a digital booster, the bottom one is a paper booster. So when I'm spending $25, I'm getting back 14. So that's fantastic. What I did for this basket was I grabbed 2 Gain products at $9.99 and then 1 Persil for $5.99. I'm still holding out that IBOTTA might have a rebate for that Persil. Maybe later in the week, I don't know, but I really hope that they do. Just to jog you through the promotion, these are $9.99 for both the softener and the detergent. When you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. For whatever stupid reason, my register reward did not print, but a very nice manager just credited me the $5 in Walgreens cash. So I don't know if the machine was off because of the weather. Sometimes it happens, and we've been getting quite a bit of snow up here, so it's a very plausible theory. Anyhow, I loaded both of these, and it is tagged at the store, so I'm not making stuff up. They knew that it should have printed. So that's $4 melting off with the $2 off for the enhancer and the $2 off for the liquid. I also grabbed a Persil for $5.99, and we have a $2 digital. IBOTTA in the last couple weeks has had various rebates for this, and it's been in and out, in and out, in and out. So I'm really hoping that it reappears because I would like to even save as much as 50 cents with IBOTTA, but I'm not seeing it right now. A week post with Walgreens. If something appears on IBOTTA, you can apply for it a week post of your purchase. Okay, so for this basket, 2 of the Gain products for $19.98 at $9.99 a pop, 1 Persil detergent for $5.99 for a total of $25.97. Had my digital booster loaded, got the cashier to scan my paper booster. I had $6 in digitals melting off. So with my debit card, I paid $19.97, got back $14 in Walgreens cash, a $5 register reward. It made my haul 97 cents. Remember not to use Walgreens cash as you're juggling 2 different boosters, and you will not get your 14 back if you start tossing in Walgreens cash into the mix. But if you want to use register rewards, say from Colgate or other promotions, Tresemme, yes, you can, to get a lesser out of pocket. And it's just magical that way, so you're paying a lot less. But not a bad little deal for a lot of great detergent. Now what we're going to do, guys, is just jog through some meat and potato deals that I think are exceptional this week. And we have $5.49 Pantene, $3 reward when you purchase 3. And we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupons. So load this little friend for this deal. Grabbing 3 of those shampoos. I really love their conditioner. It's $16.47. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $11.47. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $8.47 for the 3 or $2.82 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Garnier stylers are $5.99. The mousses, the little frizz sprays and the gel, those ones, a little cheaper than the shampoo, and it's also part of the promotion of $4 reward when you buy two. Plus, this digital coupon is in fact attaching to stylers, so it's just a workaround to get it for just a bit cheaper. Two of the stylers at $5.99 is $11.98. Subtracting that 4 off of two, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $3.98 for the two or $1.99 per styler. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Great deal that we have is on the Head and Shoulders Bare. We currently have a $4 and a $5 manufacturer coupon, and they're on sale for $10 this week. Fetch also had a rebate for this of like spend, I think like 20, get back 2 or something like that. And so there's a $4 and a $5, so load both of those. And here's the deal. Two of those shampoos for $20, subtracting $9 of digitals, you're paying $11, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for the two or $3.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and definitely check your Fetch account because there might be some extra points for you with this. Morning in my Walgreens account, I got a bunch more Colgate coupons. So if you wanted to stock up on this promotion is still ongoing of a $4 reward when you buy two of the $4.50 products. Plus, we have a 4 off of 2 for both the brushes and mouth rinse, and a 4 off of 2 for the paste. Two separate transactions. You pick if you want to buy the brushes or the paste. Two different transactions. But two of these brushes is $9. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $5, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I think this is just a tremendous deal for 50 cents per product. The cost of these at other stores, so much more, so great deal. Also, we have the $1.99 Arm & Hammer scent boosters, the detergent. The detergent's only a 21 loader, so you pick and choose if that's a good deal for you. But you're saving $3 per unit. Those pods are really a good price point too, so I would definitely stock up on those. Hey guys, so now we're at Walmart, and you're going to have to really do your homework for this one to make sure that all your ducks are in a row. There's a product called Pepsi Prebiotic Cola. So I believe it's with cane sugar. It's just a different type of Pepsi. Right now it's on rollback for $6. So you have to make sure that your store also has it on rollback for $6. And it's this little 8-pack for this new product. And over on Fetch, they're giving back 3,000 points twice for the purchase of this product. So you have to go to your account. Do I have this? Yes or no? If you have the 1,000-point one, you obviously don't have it. But if you have this one, I believe it should work for you. So grabbing one of those for $6, and then photograph your receipt for Fetch, and then it's going to be a complete freebie. Depending where you live, you might have to pay a bottle deposit. And let's remember this rebate because Meijer also has a very similar deal to get this for free. I would do this sooner in the week because I think later in the week it's probably going to be gone on Fetch. So I believe on Monday, Valentine's Day went 90%, but a lot of like the candy and food is only 75%. Depending what your store might have, you still might find quite a bit of items. I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview. The blow mold, Hello Kitty, and that Bluey dog, $1.99. 50 cents for home decor, 99 cents for that bear, 19 cents for stickers. For the teachers out there, those stickers would be a really good find. And various little charcuterie or straw toppers, 50 cents. Even if stuff is still in plain sight, open up the Walmart app and scan barcodes, or, go to that place that you can scan stuff in the store for pricing in case you think you have something Valentine's Day, and for 90% off, not bad. I think other stores like Kroger went 90, Hobby Lobby also went 90. If you like everything cute and Valentine's Day themed, you might want to be on the lookout for that stuff. The last store that we have is Meijer. And again, the Pepsi probiotic, we're going to start out strong with that. There is a $3 M perk, so it's going to drop this guy down to $5.99. You'll pay that and then photograph it to fetch. And if you don't have that 3,000 point doubler for the Pepsi probiotic, it might reappear as the weekend marches on. Or alternatively, if you have the 1,000 point one, possibly they sell the dollar cans at Walmart. You can go down that avenue. But at Meijer, same price. You pay $6 and then get 6,000 back with fetch. You have to check your app. Now, this 10 off of 50. This is new, and I'm going to just show you the coupons to load for this basket on the front end. We have a $5 for the Febreze Scent Booster Starter Kit. That is quite the mouthful. 4 items we're going with are Gain, because they're all about $9.99, and these $2 coupons are really making it work. So we're just going to load these two $2 coupons, $4 off there, and then $2 off for the flings and $2 off for the liquid. If you don't like what I'm picking out, you can always switch it around in the app. I recommend you open up the shop and scan when you're in store. Scan all these barcodes to make sure that the math is balancing. So as you can see, this is $10.49 after that $5 coupon. It's dropping, so you can see in real time, is this going to work? And that 10 off of 50 is also attaching to every single product as well. And this is our softener, and this is the same family as Tide Gain, so a lot of people prefer it. I know a lot of people are just Tide only, but the only Tide I think that they had was like $19.99, so that's why I went with Gain. Anyhow, this liquid, $7.99 after the digital coupon. And moving this along, we have the dryer sheets, 240 count for $7.99. Not bad. The bounce dryer sheets were very specific as well, I saw in the app, so I went with this. And the final product that we're grabbing, and it's just an assortment of Gain products, these flings for $7.99, and it's a 31 count, which is a lot of loads of laundry. So you have your $8 of coupons loaded, the $5 for the Febreze, and the $10 off of 50 for the general basket, and that will come off for you at checkout. The overall total is $53.45, and open up shop and scan all these items. The total is $27.45, not including tax. Not a bad little deal. It's like about 50% off. And before I take off into the big sunset, Dollar General is hosting a clearance event this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the 27th of February, the 28th of February, and then March the 1st. There's lots of products, free and cheap, and some of this stuff should really interest you guys because it's new stuff that's part of this clearance event. I will link the video at the very end, and even if you are a dedicated pharmacy shopper, I think it's time to go to the Dollar General and start making these deals happen. It's all with digital coupons, so it's a really easy video to follow. I will link it right here. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.